We are given an array of integers representing the amount of money present in the house, and these houses are arranged in a circle. We need to rob the maximum amount of money from these houses such that we do not rob from two adjacent houses. This problem is a lot similar to the previous problem, so it would be better if you watch this previous video for a better understanding. Here, since the houses are in a circular order, we must be concerned about the first and last houses. If we are robbing the first house, then we should not be robbing the last house, because they both are adjacent houses. Likewise, if we are robbing the last house, then we should not be robbing the first house, for the same reason that they both are adjacent houses. In both these scenarios, since we are breaking the circular chain, we can represent these houses in a linear order. Therefore, in one scenario, we will be omitting the first house and robbing the maximum amount of money we can. And in the other scenario, we will be omitting the last house and robbing the maximum amount of money we can. And from these two, we will be choosing the one that gives us the maximum amount of money. For robbing the houses, in the previous video we have seen that if there is only one house, we can rob whatever amount of money is present in that house. If there are two houses, then we will be choosing the house with the maximum amount of money. And if there are three or more houses, then we need to look at the previous two houses to decide whether we need to rob the first and third house combined or just the second house alone. So now let's code the solution. If number of houses are less than or equal to 2, then we know that we can only rob the house with maximum amount of money. So we will return the maximum. For robbing the houses using dynamic programming, we will write a separate function. We will store the number of elements in this variable. If there is only one element in the array, we can directly return that without doing anything. We will create a new array of same size, initially filled with zeros. If there is only one house, we will be robbing that house. If there are two houses, we will be robbing the maximum among the two. For robbing three or more houses, we will be using a for loop. At the third house or the current house, we will be robbing the maximum of first and third houses combined or the second house alone. And we will be returning the maximum amount of money we could rob till the last house. Now we will be calling this function on two scenarios. One in which we omit the first house and the other one in which we omit the last house. Finally, we will be returning the maximum among the two scenarios. Let's try running the program. It's working. See you in the next video.